Welcome to MBA Labs. Imagine this, you're in a group discussion of a job interview. The CEO places a jar of jelly beans on the table. She asks, "How many are in there?" What do? Don't stress, it's not a trick question, it's a test of your thinking process. And it's a test you can totally ace. How? By tapping into the power of collective thinking. We make better decisions together. We spot solutions others might miss. This isn't just luck, it's the magic of collective intelligence. And it can help you land that dream job. This video dives into that magic. We'll break down the Jellybean Jar Experiment and see why it matters for your career. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's dive in. Hey there, welcome to the Jellybean Jar Experiment. Let's break it down in simple terms. Picture this, a large jar is filled with jelly beans. Individuals are asked to guess how many jelly beans are in the jar, but they guess alone, without discussion. Their answers are recorded. Then the group discusses and arrives at a collective estimate of how many jelly beans are in the jar. But here's the cool part. The average guess is surprisingly accurate. It's often found that the group's average guess or consensus is much closer to the correct number than most individual guesses. So why is that? Everyone sees the problem from a slightly different perspective. When these perspectives come together, the group's estimate is more accurate. When everyone's voice is heard in the group discussion, when you combine these diverse viewpoints, you tap into something powerful, collective intelligence. The group performs better than individuals, not because any one person is the best, but because their collective knowledge and viewpoints complement each other. The Jellybean Jar Experiment teaches us a key lesson. We're smarter together. And it's not just about candy, it's about unlocking the potential of diverse teams to solve complex problems. So the Jellybean Experiment is a metaphor for how diverse teams, when inclusive, make better decisions than individuals working alone. It highlights the power of different experiences, backgrounds, and viewpoints in solving problems and achieving goals. Let's chat about something really interesting. The wisdom of crowds. The wisdom of crowds in business. Picture a jar filled with jelly beans. If you ask a bunch of people to guess the number of beans, their average guess is often spot on. This idea works in business too. Companies tap into collective intelligence every day. Take Google, for instance. They analyze billions of searches to figure out what people are looking for. Or Unilever, which uses customer feedback to create new products. IDEO, a global design firm, thrives on collective intelligence. They bring together diverse teams, designers, engineers, even anthropologists, to brainstorm innovative solutions. The result? Award-winning products that meet real-world needs. These companies know that diversity isn't just a buzzword, it's essential for business. Embracing different perspectives leads to better decisions, stronger products, and greater success. So for all you MBA hopefuls, remember, harness the power of collective intelligence. Work with diverse teams, seek out different opinions, and always stay open to new ideas. This approach will set you on the path to business success. Hey there, now let's see the real-world wins. From Google to your office. Remember the CEO with the jelly beans? She's not just after the right answer, she's interested in the right approach. She wants to see if you get the power of collaboration. So, what should you do? Don't just blurt out a number. Engage the room. Ask your fellow interviewees for their estimates. Discuss your reasoning. Show that you value diverse perspectives. By embracing collective intelligence, you demonstrate critical thinking, collaboration, and problem-solving skills. These are the qualities that make you stand out in a crowded job market. Remember, the key takeaways are to engage, collaborate, and value diverse perspectives. For MBA aspirants, these skills are crucial. Practice them and you'll be well on your way to success. That's a real MBA mindset. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such experiments. And if you have any questions or want to see a specific experiment, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.